magically join you into the world of art with me? Well, let's get started. Have you ever wondered about all the difference of art out there? From painting to music to dance, there is so much to explore. Now, let me tell you some more about myself and my love of art. I am engaged in many branches of art, like painting, music, and crafting. First of all, I would like to start with craft skills. In special days, I enjoy decorating our home using materials we already have. I use my imagination to make something beautiful out of everyday items like cardboard, paper, string, or even plastic. I focus on my project strongly and don't give up until it's finished. And you know what I love the most? Sharing my finished artwork with my family. They admire what I create and support me. Secondly, I love painting and music in the world of art. Playing the piano makes me feel incredibly relaxed. To be honest, I struggled a little bit at first. Then when I saw that I had managed to play the first piece, I get more motivated and the rest came. Art. Drawing. This is another art form that I am interested in. When I draw, I express my emotions and depict things I imagine. For example, I had a fun day in the forest. I will draw and convey my feelings, my joy and my happiness. Additionally, I find cool to learn about famous artists and how nature inspired them. It's fascinating thing to see how they use nature in their arts. I love to study and talk about nature, plants, birds, insects, and details about them. Sometimes nature inspires me. I will draw and convey my feelings, my joy and my happiness. Drawing isn't about making nice pictures, but it's about expressing yourself and sharing your feelings with the world. When you draw, you're showing a piece of who are you, and that's a beautiful thing. Thank you for listening to me, and let's do amazing art together.